Hello everybody. Today I want to show you Arduino LED stripe controller for the digital LED stripe WS2812. So here we see we have 4 outputs. We'll only show you 3. So the first one we connect it. After we connect it, it shines its own color based on the program. And on the second strip, in the program we specified the different colors and the last amount of the LEDs using per stripe, even though the LED stripe has more LEDs. And for the third, so right now we connected 3 LED stripe, and each of them is separate from others, and we also addressed each LED individually with a different color. So in the program we specified the color of each diode individually and for the whole strip. And in the end, we specified brightness for the all LED stripe together, and the PCB scheme and board is also included in the description.